extremely humbling to see the wisdom of Kenyan people. It is so humbling to see the members of For the State, the customers that have bought with us. I can see my friend here. I was not aware that you are around. Just hi. This is the guy that makes the speakers at Hope FM, go up. And thank you so much for everyone for turning up in this particular event. I can see my bankers are there. The national government is here. The Senior Chief Mutua is here. And I can see the county officials here. And this is full support, especially for this project, for the Garden of Joy. So we are talking about Family and Friends Fun Day. And I'm so happy to see the future customers of Opvin right there. And we were intentional to say, come with your children. Because we know that ourselves, we are growing old, but Optiven can only survive if we nurture those wonderful billionaires right there at the corner. And if you left your child, you missed a point. Because these children are going to be the next George Washuris, are going to be Donald Trump in real estate, because then something happens when you step on the land. Allow me to thank God for this particular event. The weather is good, the transport was nice, people came in good time, and we are very, very thankful to God. Remember, God is the one who gives us power to create wealth. Deuteronomy 8:18. The Lord our God gives us power to create wealth. That means all of you represented here and those on FB Live across the globe, you have power to create wealth. So don't blame God. He has already given you power. Allow me to thank the customers. Thank you so much for those who have been supporting Optiven for the last 20 years. 20 years. To be a customer of Optiven Makofi. You have seen Optiven grow. We have won awards. Last year, 2018, we won about 5 awards. We were voted the best company in terms of nurturing the employees, the partners. We were given the best company in the use of digital media. No wonder we are trending, if you're not aware. We are number 4. Hashtag Ansana Optiven. We are trending. We use social media. We also voted the best company in customer service. We also voted by Superbrand as the companies that are going to influence this nation. Last week, we featured in London Stock Exchange as among the companies to influence Africa. And I'm so happy for the members of For the State. Because Optiven, we deliver one vision to economically and socially empower and transform the community. The duty of an entrepreneur is to create those opportunities. That's why for this year, 2019, we said, since we have issues with our young people, we are opening up the doors to ensure that every year we give 40 internships to the university students. Last week, I hosted over 200 young people at Optiven Transformation Center. And I asked the parents, said you are young people. And half of them, they were not aware of what they want to do in the university. And you are mentoring them. And then some told me, my parents want to force me to be a doctor. And me, I hate to be a doctor. My parents are forcing me to be a lawyer. Oh, where is Faith? We have a senior lawyer here. Faith Ukwapi. There are some who say, me, I'm not a lawyer, I'm a designer. That means give your children an opportunity to be themselves. That's very important. So when we call you as a family, we are happy. And all those customers will keep nurturing you, working with you, not only properties, but also empowering each other. Of course, customer number 1 is our own staff, the Optiven staff. Tuwapigie makofi. Wow, these are guys who are sharper than George Washiori. These are guys that are good. They know what they are doing. They work with Optiven. We don't lose them to competition. Because where do they go? Optiven is their company. For me, I'm a servant. Just there to serve. And I'm so proud of Optiven partners, Optiven staff. The same way I'm proud with you guys, the customers. We are extremely proud of you. And I'm happy to see that we are growing as an organization because of your support. Allow me to thank the board of directors. These are the people who reduces the dreams of an entrepreneur. Because entrepreneurs can be crazy. They can dream. The other day I saw this guy called Jeff Bezos, the owner of Amazon. He wants to start transporting people to space. And he had tried several times. I said, is this guy okay? Is he crazy? That's it. Those are the dreams of an entrepreneur. So this board of directors, we have Dr. Leti, we have Mr. Onyango, Christine Banga, Mary Washuka, Charles Mulaguri, who is the project director, and Mr. Mwenda. They have been working with the Optiven vision to ensure that we deliver 7,000 properties to our people. So far we have empowered 7,000 people to have properties. They have supported us in our 60 projects plan. We have done 60 successful projects, and they also supported us in our foundation work, and we thank God for them. Please allow me to describe you as a people. As I look at you, I see wise people. As I look at you, I see dedicated people. As I look at you, I see movers and shakers. Because Kenya can only be developed by people who are investing. Allow me to thank our partners, and I'm so humbled to see Equity Bank is in the house. Where is the team from Equity Bank? They're in the house. Wow, their manager is right here. I'll give you her a few minutes after some point. And they have been supporting Optiven for the last 15 years. And this particular project, when we came to see it, I went to Equity Bank. I told them, "Wa, nimeona shamba, lakini nzuri, lakini bei." Because of Mutua's good governance, His Excellency the Governor, good governance, the land here has gone up. And Shari told me, "George, we trust you. Don't worry. We trust Optiven." How much money? I'm looking for 0.4 billion. She says, that one we will finance. So let's appreciate Equity Bank, please. And today she was whispering to me that she can see what the 0.4 billion is doing to this particular project. And she was happy to see that we are doing the roads, there's a driller there, we are doing the borehole, and Equity Bank, we shall not let you down. So asante sana. Of course, we have other partners. We have Kenya USA Diaspora, I think represented here. We have different reps across the group. We have people from the UK, people from Europe, people from Dubai, people from South Africa, East Africa, Asia, China. We will have a joint photo at the end of my presentation. I know Lucy from the UK is here. I know John from France is here. Tony from Germany is here. Beatrice Muigai from Qatar is here. Zedekia Ochieng from Dubai. We have Yabula from Kansas, USA. Elizabeth Juhuna, rep in Virginia, in the USA. We have Simon from California. We have Ezra Kitungi from also Missouri, and we have Margaret Wairimo from US of A, Washington, Seattle, and we have now the Geneva team and other people. We'll have a joint photo in a short while. So asanteni sana for supporting Optiven. Finally, let me thank the project people for enabling you to be here. They have been working day and night to do transformation, because Optiven, we no longer sell value-added plots. We are selling transformed plots. The project team, headed by Charles, has been able to make this project environmental friendly. So in the next 3 months, the kind of tree planting you see here, you'll wonder. And we'll call you to plant your own tree. We'll make it as beautiful as Victory Gardens in Kitengela. How many know Victory Gardens in Kitengela? Wow. We have just created Karen in Kitengela. We are creating Karen in this particular project. The only thing hatutakuwa nayo ni solar street lighting, because pia bei ya hapa sio kama ya Victory. Victory 2.2 million. Hapa ni tuko na offer leo 950. Kuna caretaker, there is security. Those who are in diaspora, when you buy here, just go and rest, relax. You come after 10 years, your property is safe, because Optiven, we have security system for all our projects. This project, this team has made this project health sensitive. We have a jogging track. We want healthy families, families that are able to move to the next way forward. They have also given us up to 15 acres to do a getaway near the lake. When people are stressed in Nairobi, they'll be coming to rest here. They'll be coming to pray in this particular getaway, and I'm so happy. So we really, really appreciate. And all those supporting Optiven Vision, tunawashukuru sana. People of the borehole, the contractors, Moso, we are very, very thankful. Machakos is one of the counties that is investor friendly. Hapa kuwa in stress, they support investors. No wonder they are able to help Optiven expand. Why should you invest in this particular project? 3 reasons only. Why should you invest? Number 1, the power of the name, Garden of Joy. We are looking at happy families. We are looking at happy children. And that's why we called you for this particular event. You start networking. You start knowing each other, because this particular project must give families joy. A story is told. If you want to know couples along Uhuru Highway, you don't need to be told when they are driving together. Mama pande hii, mzee ndio ana drive. Or mama ana drive, mzee anajifanya busy. You know, these guys, they are couples. We say enough is enough. Today, the story is changing. Because couples are here. When you go home in the evening, kuna mastori. Did you see that project? Did you see the way Optiven has done it? We want to resuscitate conversation in families. And those who are not married, Optiven is very interesting. We celebrated 2 young guys who got married after meeting in our event. Can you imagine? Transformation. The guys met in this particular event, became good friends, they married. After they married, they bought one of the projects. We were taking people to Mombasa, where walikuwa invest over 1.2 million. They went to Mombasa. There was celebration. And this couple is happy. So today, young person, you are there. Look at these beautiful faces. Washa ukaa single. Washa hii maisha ya single ni mbaya. Yeah, angalia warembo. Don't say you have no money. I got married when I had no money, no job. God provides when you get married. When I came here, I made some confessions. I said, this is a beautiful place for people to settle. I saw buildings. I saw happiness. I saw trees. I saw homes. What? Until at the time I went to the lake, I said, hey, this is Lake Optiven. And I said, the lower side, fun area for families. And I can tell you, I can feel this project very well. The next 5 years, this project is going to be totally different. We are planning the month of April to call you here to issue title deeds. I'm so happy we are almost clearing the Equity Bank loan. Almost clearing. Within 7 months, because of the support we get from our customers who trust in Optiven Vision. What I see comfort. I see wealthy people here. I see people starting businesses. There's a town here coming up. You should be the first one to start a business there. Why not? You cannot associate with Optiven, you remain poor. You can't. I have seen people progress. Today I was talking to Lucy. She's moving from Germany to Kenya to start business. She is motivated and fired up. We have seen diaspora coming here and succeeding. Why? Our association transforms. And we don't hide about it. What I say as a leader. When we came to pray with Bishop Reverend Katutu, we confessed some things that are already happening. Number 3, why you should invest here. The value for money. Today we are talking about the offer of 950. We are insisting you invest as a family. Allow me to give you 3 reasons that I sit down why you must invest as a family. When you invest as a family, something happens. You promote togetherness. Look at today. This is a family outing. It's a family outing. We are all here. We are feeling nice. It's a family outing. Because whether we like it or not, we must talk about families. When a family is strong, the village is strong. When the village is strong, the country is strong. And that's why the devil targets families. Divorce. Watu wanakosana. Koja tu watu wakusameana. Don't do nail by mouth. Appreciate each other. Encourage each other. That's the only way you can be able to grow. Don't fight in front of children. They are there, they are seeing. When I'm doing youth mentorship, there's one who told me, talk to my mother and father. They are fighting in front of us. And we are now grown up. Kuja tuwe watu wazuri bwana. Tujenge nchi. Why you must invest. We are intentional to bring you together. These children, we are intentional to bring them. We are very intentional because we want them to be different. Let me tell you a story. When I was a young guy, I went to Katani to buy a plot with my wife. It was 70,000. We bought that plot that every day, every weekend, tunaenda tu kuona. Kujivijari tu pale kuona Katani plot. It was 70,000. The other day, we went to ask a price. It's about 3 million. We said, this is our first plot. Hatutaiuza. Ngoja tuweke kitu hapa watoto waone. It was our first one. Then later on, we went to this property near the airport. Syokimau. 350. 10 years ago. Today, the same plot is 3.5 million. What is the return? 1,000% return. So every year, this plot was doubling. That's how real estate is real. Real estate is real. Real estate is real. And you can be able to say, maybe it's your first plot here. Start here. And then anza sasa na Optiven. And they're giving you 2 years. Unalipa pole pole. The bank is also willing to finance you 70%. It is possible and doable. Number 2, why you must invest as a family. We are offering mentorship to our generation. Mentorship. Let me tell you, children catch everything that you do. Today as you go to pay your property, patia mtoto 100, mwambie tunanunua shamba. Mpatie tu 100 tu. Ngoja aende alipe physically. you are putting something in their mind that when they grow up like you, they are going to be top investors. We are mentoring children. The other day I was talking to a young man who said, George, I cannot afford your properties. I have only 8,000 in my pocket. I told him, they buy you 8,000. Just pay it. Do you know, 2 years later, the guy has a home in Kitengela. It's called Joseph Oko. So these things are real. Things are happening. Usijadhalau useme mimi sina pesa, George. My salary, I'm not sure. My job, I'm not sure. Finally, why you should invest as a family? It's an opportunity for you to create wealth, to build your assets, to take care of your retirement. It is time to build your wealth, take care of your retirement, build your assets. That's why you are here. Because today we are strong. 20 years to come, tutakuwa sasa tunatembea pole pole tu. Age imekasha. Na sio kupenda. The children we have now, they don't care whether you are at home. The other day I went to the US, and the US people, they take their old to their homes. And this mama broke her leg and she called the daughter. And then the daughter asked the mom, why are you calling me? Am I a doctor? Am I a doctor? Where is he a doctor? To the mother. That means we are not too far if we don't met our children. Kwa hivyo lazima tujisort. Yesterday I was on MTV Live and I met a lady there who says, George, I have so many plots. When I want to build, I sell one. She bought Gong when the plots were being thrown away. 20,000, 30,000. Today the same plot is 6 million. Akitaka kujenga anauza. You can do the same. It is possible and doable. You can create that wealth. Let me show you how the value of this property is going to behave like. Let me just show you. Today I'm a teacher. I used to teach at Daystar University. I need to go back there and teach. Look at this. Today we are talking about, within this project is only 7 months, by the way. Only 7 months. We are calling it Miracle Project. Within 7 months, we have been offering 950, which expires tonight. Another 12 months, look at the price. Another 3 years, 2.5 million. After 5 years, the chief told us, build and lease, build and sell, build and live, secure this, have a title deed, go to charity and secure a loan, build, put it on Airbnb. That's how people make money. As we do plots that are transformed, by the time you are coming to build, you only connect your water. You always pay small money for power connection because you bring the transformer here, not your plot, here. And can you see, imagine the difference between Maguta and Optiven. Look at this. Maguta, they will tell you, even here, I can see some agents here who came through for clients. Please, those are time wasters. Don't talk to them. Talk to the people in green. Look at this. Maguta, they say the plot is 500,000 in Kagudo Road. Then Optiven says the plot is 950. But Optiven, we have transformed. We have done the power, the maram roads, the fencing, the caretaker, the gate, the common areas, the trees, the parties like this one for networking. Effectively, Maguta will cost you 2.2 million. Can you imagine? You paid $500,000, it will cost you 2.2 million. Optiven, of course, you will sell you at 950, but you may spend another 300 for connecting water and power within. But you have brought the power here. Our effective price is 1.2. Why should you lose $1 million because of funny lands offer? And then you're not sure. Hapa Kikiumana, you can go back to Optiven. Sidio? Kikiumana wanazima simu. That's how I was conned. Yeah. I bought a property, 5 million, wakazima simu. You know my story. I went out for a year. My office was Uhuru Park with my Bible and a pen. I lost all the friends. I have only 2 friends, my wife and my pastor. Don't be like George Bwana. People disappear. 1 year. You apply for a job, no even regret. Please forget about Maguta. Buy transformed Optiven plots. And there's a tick here. Please show them. Yeah, don't be confused. I can see a lot of agents in this meeting. Don't be confused. Yeah. Wakupatia mastori, waambie wewe ni mtu ya mastori. Wewe enda ukauze zako 500. Yeah, we sell transformed plots. Value for money. Value for money. Create wealth. Build your assets. Take care of your retirement. Allow me to stop with a story. I have an uncle that I really love. Ni mtu ya mastori too. Now he is old, about 70 years. He told me he was working for a corporation, earning 4,000 a month. And he had friends. And these particular friends, one day they were drinking. In fact, putting their legs on top of the table. They were drinking. Leta igine. Haya, water wapewe. But as they were drinking, there was a plot. They said, why can't we, Changamani, we buy 1 acre at Upper Hill? That was 1970s. And they all agreed and they were drunk. They all said, eh. They were Kikuyus. Eh. In the morning, Mayako called them. Did we say that we invest? They said yes. So he discovered, hata akiwa merewa, wako na plan. A week later, one of the guys, Mujuaji, akasema bwana, tununue magari. Those days were 404, 504. And they said, let's not put money in land, we buy 404. And they all bought. They were feeling nice. My uncle, when he gives this story, he cries. Because the same acre, he can see it, the same acre now, it was 70,000. They were to give 10,000 each. The same acre today is 700 million. My uncle is rotting in a small house in Gong. A small house. He could be worth 100 million today. Just 30 years. That's how people make mistakes. You have to work for your retirement. And the way to work for retirement is investing wisely. But I'm happy you are all wise investors. You are wise investors. Mwingine atakwambia bwana, hey George, hapa ni Bali. Vile basi imekuja masaa mawili na hata hana saa. Hana saa. These are called the voices of discouragement. Na mjamaa ametoka Githurai. Sasa far from where Githurai? Yet we have Lucy and others coming from Geneva. Akina Gilbert from Geneva. Wamepanda ndege, wamekuja kununua. Wewe uko Githurai. These are the people you trash. You remove them from your WhatsApp. They are called voices of discouragement. Please, when you go to see your property, don't carry them away. Don't carry them with you. Take them away. Wapige teke. My uncle cries because aliniambia, I wish somebody told me. Anipige coffee nifikirie. I am 100 million less because I made the wrong decision. Retirement. Work for your retirement. Don't be like my uncle. Work for your retirement. Some will say, George bwana, wa! Ushumi ni mbaya ni January. January na tumekupatia option. The bank is here for option. Work for your retirement. Dream big and act. Because without action, it remains a dream. And what you do, kick out the dream killers. Some of the people you have, some of the friends you have, I call them the draggers. They drag you. Whatever good idea you have, they discourage you. They pull you down. Those kind of people, please don't waste your phone space. Delete them. They're just dragging your vision. Delete them. There are other friends that I know you have. I call them the wings. These are the people you come, this particular event, instead of you having fun, ni mastori tu, wanakupatia tu mastori. Stories without end. There are people who talk big, but they do nothing. You spend time with them, you get very tired. Nazafikiri uko umebeba mzigo. Kumbe ni poisonous people, pessimistic people. And they are here. Please leave them alone. Drop them. And they say, I can tell you the income you earn in the next 5 years when I look at your 5 friends. Only 5 friends. I can tell you your income. There are many people who cannot maximize their potential. They cannot harvest their creativity because of the friends they have. Because these are the friends that are, they're actually poison. Maybe they need to be classified the same as Roundup. So those kind of killers, please, be bold and tell them, I am sorry. I am not your friend. Or fade away. Just fade away. Don't answer their calls. Make new friends that build you. Don't associate with the weight. But they are the good people. I call them the Rastas. These are people who can tell you, by the way, this project, the way I see it in 10 years, is a good project. They encourage you. They thrust you up. They are lifters. Those are good friends. They will talk good about the project. Why? Taking action now is better than tomorrow. Refuse the disease of procrastination. Procrastination, I'll do it tomorrow. Procrastination is a killer of dreams. There are many people here who want to start businesses. They have been singing that song for the last 10 years. There are people on FB. Wako na maono, lakini they procrastinate. They say, 2020 is my year. And then they were saying, 2019 is my year. Iko hapa. the medicine for procrastination is just do it. Yeah, just do it now. Wacha kusema kesho bwana. I'll get married tomorrow, next year. Na jamaa ametwanga 40. Ametwanga 40, nasema next year I'm getting married. No wonder we had an offer for these fellows below 40. Tunawaambia kuja na 9,000 tukupee shamba. Walikuja wengi, wengine ni wazee, hawana mtu. Hish! Tukawapatia shamba huko 9,000 a month for 4 years because we are sympathizing with them. Ngoja niashie hapo. Kwanza Kenya yetu imeharibika. Vijana hawaoi. And we are competing with other countries. If you don't give birth, what happens? Rwanda will overtake us, isn't it? Tanzania will overtake us. Lazima tujipange kama nchi. So associate with thrusters and lifters. Take action now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Because you have what it takes. You have the potential, you have the brains, you have the resources. Never say there are no resources. Life is about facing challenges and you call them exciting challenges. Don't call them challenges. They are exciting challenges. Life is made up of opportunities. There are a lot of zillions and millions of opportunities in Kenya. Today, people are dying to come to this country. Have you seen the way Chinese are coming? They are coming in drones. Wanakuja kufanya nini? They are coming, marrying our girls, and we have all shape of people. And they are furious. But if we just complain on Facebook and Twitter, we won't help. The best thing is if you have a group. There's a group now buying 10 plots. Wewe group yako tu ni shai tu. Tunakutanaka kwa WhatsApp. Sasa hiyo WhatsApp is useless. If that WhatsApp is not investing, delete it. Get teams that can invest together. Let's see people do projects together. Don't fear the bank. Go to the bank and borrow. The first time I went to the bank to borrow, walinishekelea. Wakasema, young man, wewe utalipa hii pesa? Nikasema, by the grace of God, I will pay. All the time, find time to think. In your own house, look for a seat called the thinking seat. Every day, 15 minutes, you are thinking and say, George, what are you doing? What are you doing? I am thinking. And as you think, you have a notebook, a pen, and a paper. Notebook, a pen, and your head. Because when you create time to think, the ideas come, I don't know, from heaven. They say, we have a capability of generating between 500 and 700 ideas in a day. So you don't need to copy people. That's why for Optiven, we don't mind people copying us. We can always think. People talk of open day. We are talking about family days. See, tunakuanga better sana. Because this thing is not a pumpkin. It's for thinking. And if you're not thinking, you're not using it. Because all people who make it, they have 2 legs, they have 2 hands, they have fingers, they have 2 eyes. The only difference is this one. This one. If you use this one, our business can be able to move forward. Our lives can be better. Don't complicate life, man. Life is short. Make it sweet. If your family is planning for holidays, that's why for Optiven, we are now planning a holiday to Masai Mara for you guys. And you are saying you pay 1.2 even now, unaingia Masai Mara. Na sio competition, automatic ticket. And then we tell you, kuja na jamaa wako. Munaenda pale mnanifresh. You are thinking. Create that time. And for busy people who never get time for children, thank God today you came with them. Please, wacha kujifanya busy just so. Leave work early. That's why for us at Optiven, we close office by 6. Kila mtu anaenda nyumbani kwa jamii. Because these are the people we are building. Don't be too busy for your family. So let's use this to do what? Are we going to have a thinking seat? Yes. Yeah, let's have a thinking seat. We change this nation because anybody associated with Optiven must prosper. And by the way, we pray for you. Every morning, 7:30, we have prayers for the last many years, praying for our customers. And you have seen people change from one level to another. That's why when we partner with Optiven, tunakukumbuka, we know your names, we have your names. We have 1,700 people who are paying us on installment. We pray for you that your job haitakatika, you'll be promoted, and you have seen promotions happening. It is possible and doable.
Optiven Limited, the pay-setters in real estate.